everybody, welcome back to Lawrence Explores. Today we're doing some birdseed cookies. Yes, go! Okay guys, I'll show you the things we need to make the birdseed cookies. So we need some birdseed, we need some cooking spray, some gelatin, and a cup of some water. That's all we need.
The first thing we have to do is open this box of gelatin. That's right.
First thing we have to do is put the gelatin into the bowl.
And we need 2 tablespoons of cold water. So we need the one that says 1 tablespoon. That's it right there. I'll fill it, and then you put it in there. That's it. Just have to let it sit for a minute. While that's sitting, we're gonna boil some water. In just a minute, it'll be ready.
Look at this. It looks so cool.
Yeah, but don't play with it anymore because we're gonna add the boiling water.
Okay.
Now it's gotta be very hot, so we have to be careful. Stir, please.
Okay.
Stir, stir, stir. Get it off the bottom there.
Yes, sing the mixing song. Mix, 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 mixy, mix.
Mixy, mixy, mix, 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 mix. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is add the bird seed.
There you go.
And we mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. More, more, more.
It smells kind of funky in here. This is what it looks like. Now it's time to make our cookies.
So now we are ready to pour these. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Another one?
There we go. We made a lot of birdseed. Check out all of this. We have 10. We're gonna put these straws in here because we are gonna put a little string in it. There we go. It's almost time we put these in the fridge. I can't wait until the birds come. Now we have to wait until 2 hours. Now it's time to put on the string. These are very cold. Now we're gonna hang them outside. Yes, go inside to go clean up.